Living in a world run by e-business, how well are you utilizing the web to make money for your business or yourself? In this post, I will show you 5 ways in which you can make money or increase revenue for your business or yourself from your website. Number 1. Sell a product. If you own a website and you are not already selling a product, you should start thinking about selling one. You can sell a digital or physical product. An example of a digital product is an ebook. You can write a short ebook sharing ideas on your area of expertise and sell it online on your website. If you prefer physical products instead, you can create merchandise, t-shirts, caps and so on, with your company logo on them. If you have people interested in your business, they will surely buy your merchandise. You don't have to limit yourself to merch. Allow yourself to think outside the box with this one. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular, not to mention quickest, ways to make money from your website or blog. Start by finding a product you like and would recommend. Then on your website, you endorse the product and promote it to your website visitors and email subscribers. If the product or service resonates with these people, they will click on your affiliate link, purchasing the product, while you get a split fee for the sale price. The commission might be anywhere from 30% of the product or service price up to as high as 70%. For example, if the split is 50% and you promote an ebook that costs $100, you get $50 for simply referring the buyer. Pretty sweet deal, huh? Number 3. Ads. According to Wikipedia, in 2016, internet advertising revenues in the United States surpassed those of cable television and broadcast television. In 2017, internet advertising revenues in the United States totaled $83 billion, a 14% increase over the $72.5 billion in revenues in 2016. And it has been growing ever since. Why wouldn't you take a share of these billions when you can? How do you do it? You can use Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which website publishers in the Google network of content sites save text, images, video or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content and audience. These advertisements are administered, sorted and maintained by Google. The best part about this system is how simple everything is. Once you sign up, Google will place a simple code on your website that will identify the content of your site and start displaying relevant ads. For example, if your site is about pets, Google AdSense will start showing your visitors ads for cat food, dog training and more. You get paid each time someone clicks on the ad. Yes, it's that easy. Number 4. Accept donations. If your website provides content that is helpful to others, they will surely be willing to give a little something as a token of appreciation and to keep you providing that content. PayPal offers little donation buttons that can only take about 10 minutes to add to your website. These buttons offer you a quick way to recoup what you might want to be spending on good web hosting, new product creation, research, and all of the other costs to maintain a healthy active blog. Last but not least, number 5. Build an email list. An electronic mailing list or email list is a special use of email that allows for the widespread distribution of information to many internet users. It is similar to a traditional mailing list, a list of names and addresses, as might be kept by an organization for sending publications to its members or customers. With an email list, you can promote a product you are selling and or affiliate links. You can inform your subscribers whenever you publish more blog posts, enabling you to have more returning visitors, leading to more revenue one way or another. The objective is to convert as many strangers who visit your site for the first time into passionate followers who want to stay up to date on your latest work or content. Admittedly, this is a long-term strategy, and you definitely won't get rich overnight, but is one of the best long-term methods to profitably grow your blog into a full-fledged money-making enterprise. These were 5 ways to increase revenue for yourself or your business using a website. Click like, click subscribe, and go get this money.